Hello kids, let's find ABC letters. We will find all ABC letters. First of all, we will find letter A. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for line. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. T. T for tomato. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for York. Z. Oh no. Z. Z for zebra. Completed.